How to change your Wix website template. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to give you a good opportunity on how to change the Wix website if you have already done your website and you want to change the template. So right now Wix don't give an opportunity for all the users to change the template directly into the website editor, but I'm going to show you an easy trick how to do it. So first of all, you need to sign up uh, on your website. So go to your website, select and edit sites that you want to change the template on, and the next step you're going to go to the design a website, edit site. So and we are on the editors page right now. So as I said, directly you cannot change in the editor, for example, a template, but you can copy your pages into the new website. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So in settings on site, you can see here create new site. Just click on it and it's going to create a new website for you. So we are not going to start a chat, we set up without the chat. So as you can see here we have a Hachipuri restaurant. So what I'm gonna do is to set up a restaurant once again, but choose another template. So I here then continue, and we need to wait a bit to load the dashboard, and then the magic begins. So it's really easy to do, but you cannot really copy all the features of your website. There are not a lot of opportunities to copy from your old website and copy to the new one, but I'm going to show you what you can do. So we just need to wait a bit for Wix to load our dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, okay, so let it be loaded. We need to go here to the pages and menu, and here you can see all the pages of your website. So as you can see, I have only 4 pages, but I can really copy a home page. So just right click on it, and as you can see, here is the copy sign. So if you click on those 3 points, here you can see a copy. So just click on copy. As you can see, I cannot copy the menu, I cannot copy the contact, and I cannot copy the book a table. So all we can do is to copy our home page, so the image would be there and our text would be on new website. So it won't be loaded, but we're going to wait a bit for it to load, maybe refresh the page. Okay, so refreshed helped us. Okay, so we are in a dashboard once again. We need to create a name for this website. I'm going to name it as an example. Then click continue. I will skip all the things about the restaurant menus, about all these things. Okay, so continue to dashboard, and the next step you need to do is to choose a new template for your website. So here you need to go to design your website page. Here you need to customize a template, so pick a template, click on it, and it's going to load a template browser. So as you know, Wix have a lot of opportunities and a lot of free templates that are look really fresh and nice. So as you can see, I have been using this template for my old website. I'm going to choose the new one, for example, I don't really know, this one. So I just click on edit and it's going to load a new template. Okay, so we need to wait a bit right now. and it's going to be loaded. Okay, so the next step I'm going to show you in seconds. It's really easy to paste the home page of our old website to a new one. So as you can see, here is our new homepage and the new design of our website. And all we need to do is to go to the pages and menu. So go right here, click on this green icon, and you can see here a lot of site pages. So as you can see, we are on the home page, and what we're gonna do is to just click here on the empty space, and here you need to choose paste and apply site theme. So as you can see, it's have loaded copy of home. It's not necessary, you just can name it home 2. So as you can see, our page of the home page has been added, but with a new design of the new template. So as you can see, the text is not really into our website, so you need to change it a bit, change the fonts there, maybe its color, and it's really easy to do, guys. So as I showed you, but all the things that are connected to the menu, for example contact, book a table, you need to change it by yourself. So I want to change the color of this text. I just double click on it, and I just click on color and then make it black. So as you can see, everything looks good right now. We can go to our pages and delete this one, the old home page. So just click on the 3 points right here and then click delete. Yes, delete the page. So right now our old page, home page, is our new one. So guys, I hope this information have helped you, and right now I'm going to show you the upgrade plans for the Wix.com that you can upgrade for. So as you can see, okay, we need to save it, save and continue. Okay, our site is saved, and right now I'm going to show you the plans that are being offered by the Wix.com. So right now they have 50% discounts all on the free plans that are cost, for example, it have been cost 26 euro, now it costs 13 euro, like the light one. The business one with the 50% discount costs 20 euro, and the business elite plan costs 89 euro per month. Okay, so guys, I hope this information have helped you. Click on my channel, like my video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.